everybody, John here, and today on To The Garage it's a nice and simple one. We're deciding who is going to get the set of shock mount bushes that I'm giving away that were made by Steve Davis, also known as Backstore 52. Okay, so it's a moment to do the draw and find out who's going to get the set of upgraded shock mount bushes from Steve Davis, also known as Backstore 52. And what we've got is everybody who commented as requested below the video is on a separate slip of paper, and obviously you're not going to be able to read all these, but I just want you to see they're unique. There's around 104 of them. Didn't actually count the slips, but that's what YouTube said I'd got. We extracted a couple because they didn't use the phrase or anything even close to it, and a couple because there were random comments that had slipped through into this, even though I filtered them. So we've got everybody's comments on there, and what I'm going to do is grab all those comments, and I've got a clear plastic tub. I'm just going to tip those out. They were my practice slips. There we go. That's empty. That's empty. That's checking it. Yep. And I'm going to put these in here. Now the reason for putting these in here is so I can shuffle them. I've been practicing. And take some of the sequence out of them. They are going to end up a little bit back to front. There we go. Pretty close. So they're reasonably randomized. They were random to start with, and now they're even more random. And I thought, who can we get to do this draw that's completely independent and knows nothing about how expensive it is to post things to New Zealand? And we worked out Gracie'd love a go, wouldn't you? Yes. And that's why I had some practice slips of paper. She's been practicing all morning on selecting pieces of paper, which is not a challenge because she loves paper. Anyway, so there's our slips. Put them in her basket. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask my lovely assistant, Miss Gracie, I'm not looking, to select a slip. There may be a chase around the living room at this stage. Right, Gracie, do you want a piece of paper? Choose a nice person for the competition. Go on then. Go on. She's thinking very hard about it. It's a big decision. It's a big decision. But after much thought, who are we going for, Gracie? You're going for the rope. That's not part of the plan. Yeah, look, all these nice papers. Get one of those. You're going for... Right, she's picked two out. So I'm going to put them face down on the floor. Which one, Gracie? Which one of these? Which one? Who are you going for? Choose one of these. Choose one. There we are. There you are. Which one? Which one? Which one do you want? Which one? Yeah, I know, you're a film star. Which one do you want? One of these. You going for that one? Right, all right, we're going for that one. Well, I can't pick a reserve. Right, put this one back. This was yours. Turn it over, everybody. Yes, I know, you picked it. It is at Stephen Oakley 1583. So, Stephen, we'll find out where you are. Thank you very much for being a subscriber to the channel. And if you would care to just email me, john@tothegarage.co.uk with your postal address, then Gracie will help me package your bushes and they'll be winging their way over to see you. Won't they, Gracie? Yes. Do you want to eat it? No. Thanks to everybody who joined in that little bit of fun. It seems a lot of you like watching a 2 or 3 part series investigating an element of the car reasonably deeply. And if there's a little giveaway at the end of it, then that's a bonus, isn't it? And I've got a shed full of stuff that needs giving away. So maybe there'll be a little bit more of that sort of stuff to come. Thanks again for watching. See you soon. If you're enjoying our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell icon so you get notifications of new videos. And please give us a thumbs up or thumbs down, and you can share the videos. And below the video is always the area where you can comment and get involved with the chat.